Hey, we're getting ready to make some tempura shrimp. I guess that's how you pronounce it. I think it's spelled Tempura, tempura shrimp. And we've sliced them a bit so they'll kind of be more straighter than rounded or curved. And we got our egg here. I got 3 egg yolks. And then I got some breadcrumbs here. Have our ice water there. And the ice water going here. We're going to add 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour in here. Give it a mix, and we'll get started. We'll be back. Now we're going to whisk this a bit. Get that all mixed up pretty good. Now we're going to add some flour. Adding our 1/4 cup of flour. And we're going to kind of give that a bit of a mix around. And we'll add our cold water. It's got to be cold water. And a piece of ice in there too. Yeah, we'll get rid of that. And we'll get this all, and you want it to be like a batter. We'll have to get our deep fryer going. We got it heating, but I need to bring it on up to about 325 degrees, 350, somewhere along in there. I found out on mine that I think I like it down a little bit lower. I don't want it to be overly done, you know. So now we need one more thing. Let me get it. Now, in this plate, I'm going to put a little bit of cornstarch. Oh, boy, that goes, doesn't it? We're just going to do a little at a time. Okay. So now we take our shrimp. We're going to kind of put it in this. And boy, that just likes to dump out there. Just shake off the excess. Put it in the yolk batter. Let it drip off. Now put it in the breadcrumbs. And get them well coated. Now, okay, I got us a plate up here to put them in. And it's off camera here, but I'm going to go ahead and put them in there. That tail came off that one. Here we go. We got another one. A little cornstarch. And then let the excess drip. Put it over in the breadcrumbs. And then we'll put them up here. Get another one. I think I'm going to get a spoon. Whoops, not that one. Get a spoon to kind of help get that over there. My fingers get more on it than I do the. Let that drip off. And when you get done deep frying these will be crispy on the outside, and they taste fantastic. Now, you can add, which I guess I forgot, I can add salt and pepper right now if I wanted it. But I always like after they're done, putting a little season on top of them. Okay. Hey, I'm going to get the rest of these done, and we'll be back, and then we'll start putting them in the deep fryer. We'll be back. All right, we have some of them done there, ready to go into the deep fryer. And all right, we're going to put one in there. Make sure it's good and hot, I think. Let's see if it does. Oh, yeah, I think it's going to be fine. So we're going to add another one. And we'll let them go for about 2 minutes, maybe 3. Oh, yeah, looking good. All right. I think them are looking pretty good. And we'll bring them up and let them drain. Let them get. Let that go to cooking. And, oh, yeah. They're looking good. All right, these are looking pretty good. Coming right along. Oh, yeah. All right. Them look fantastic. Man, them are looking good. Let's get these others done. We'll go ahead and drop these in. Oh, yeah. That ought to be enough to do for right now. Yeah. Looking good. Now that looks mighty tasty. Hey, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I hope you consider subscribing.